Hello and welcome to Listen Love Learn online. Listen Love Learn is a creative programme for families with children under 5 years. It aims to enhance confidence, support inclusion and promote positive health and wellbeing, whilst engaging all participants in fun, creative, stimulating activities. My name is Emily and I'm the Creative Wellbeing Admin Assistant at Quad. Today we are joined by Stacey Murray and she's going to show us a Valentine's Day activity for you and your little ones to do together at home. To make a Valentine's hat, you will need a paper plate, scissors and things to decorate with. So pencils, crayons, PVA glue, tissue, paintbrush, anything you have to hand. For more information about Listen Love Learn, please visit derbyquad.co.uk. We hope you enjoy the activity.
So I just wanted to share with you a really simple little Valentine's craft activity that you could do with the kids at home. So we're going to make a little Valentine's hat. So all you need is a paper plate, and then if you fold your paper plate in half, like so, and then grab a pencil. And you want to draw on your shape, obviously because it's folded in half, it's going to be the same either side, so it'll be symmetrical. So a little stand for your heart there, and then you would draw half of your heart. You could do these of any kind of shape, so if you want to do like stars or anything a bit different, you could do. So that's my half a heart, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut that out as well as the shape to go on your little person's head, basically. So depending on how old your child is, you might want to make it either bigger by cutting here or a bit smaller by cutting in here. So my little one's quite small. I'm going to go here and cut around like this. And then when you get to your shape, you just want to cut along the line that you've drawn. Hopefully this is going to work okay. Okay, so when you then open that up, you have your little heart shape, which can just fold up like that, and then your hat. So this bit goes on the head. So what we're going to do next is just do some really simple decoration. So what I'm going to do is get a little bit of PVA glue. So just cover your heart in PVA, and this is a great one for little ones to do. It's nice and easy. Takes a little while. It's quite fun and simple to do. So you cover that in PVA, and then you want some tissue paper. So I've got pink. Any tissue paper will be fine. And just rip that up into small little pieces, and then you just screw them up into balls, and you stick them on. So just roll up into little balls and keep on sticking them on until you fill up your heart. So you could do one colour like I'm doing here, or you could make a little pattern, use different colours of tissue paper. It's totally up to you. So this is an activity that you guys would do together. So you will be supervising them, so you can keep an eye on them when they're getting a bit near the glue. And if they do get sticky fingers, just make sure you clean off all the PVA afterwards. Let's give the hands a good wash. That's it. That's it. Yeah. Want to do another one? I can put some glue. Go on then, put some on it. So if you want to keep it even simpler, or you want to kind of have your little ones sat by themselves having a go at the activity on their own, then you can of course decorate the heart any way you'd like. So instead of this collage, you could just give them some pens, pencils, crayons, stickers, and let them decorate it that way. So you can help them cut out the shape and then let them crack on with the decorating. Let us know how you get on. We would love to see some pictures.
Please send your recreations to creativewellbeing@derbyquad.co.uk or tag @derbyquad on Instagram. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed today's session. For more information about Listen Love Learn, please visit derbyquad.co.uk.